Do you want to generate AI videos with your photos but you don't know how to do it? Then this video is for you. Hello everyone, I believe you are doing great. I'm fine as well. In this video, I will let you know how you can generate videos with your photos free of cost and unlimited without any watermark. So let's start the video. So friends, this is the photo. We will convert this photo into video. So first of all, open your computer browser and then search Meta AI in your search engine, and then you will see the first website, Meta AI. Open this website in new tab and log in into Meta AI with your Facebook account or your Instagram account, and then you will see this kind of page because currently I am already logged in, and you will see animate my photo. Click on that and then you can select the photo from your PC or your smartphone and open the photo. You can just simply animate the photo and video will be generated, or you can write your own prompt. So currently I am writing these words, make woman walk, and then I will click on send and then processing will start. Meta AI takes little bit of time to process, but the quality of the video is very good. So video is generated and look at the quality of the video is very good, and woman is walking in this picture. And this is how you can generate unlimited videos with Meta AI. And I personally like Meta AI so much because they are not charging any money and you can download the video without any watermark. So friends, this is how you can generate free videos with AI and without any watermark. I believe you learned something new from my video. If you like the video, smash the like button, subscribe my channel and click on the notification bell as well for more videos like this. Take care. Bye bye.